I work hard for my ends, at times I gotta repent. Just got paid, now it's spent. Just got late, now she vent. Call out sick, now we bend. Damn, we missed the event. We end up sexing in bed. She like twisting my hair. PC, we search the web. Gotta make sure we fed, or else she gon' be fed. We do take out instead. Don't know what got us here. Strangers stop and they stare. Oh yeah, we well aware that they be hella scared.
Tryna hold my composure, never pose as no poser. Always stand like a soldier. Every day we get older. Dust that weight off my shoulder. The return of the solar. Never sell out, sure. Hustle your soul over. Used to cop on Wyona. Now I sip on Coronas. But I'm a fucking stoner. I'm in a weed coma. They could smell the aroma. This shit be moving slow-mo. They be loving the logo. Rocking it like it's polo.
Wave. ISO game, hella strong, yeah. It's just me, myself, and I, yeah. Put up problems to the sky, yeah. Wave. I tend to keep it low-key. I got a shorty, she sweet. She falls to the crib with the tree. And she got me open, she wet like the ocean. We off to the potion, it's neat. We vibing, we floating, it feel like I'm chosen. It's feeling explosive, just book me a show and it sent me the quota like sheesh. Yeah, okay, on the radar, we speaking this shit to existence. It's look like I'm in a position of raking the killing from killing shit. I pivot, I'm making these moves to take it all in, I envision this. When I was a kid, still on the same shit. Work hard for my ends, put on for the family, take nothing for granted. This shit is a blessing, but also a curse. I maneuver aware of the cancers. I'm off of that cloud shit, I'm taking the seed and I sprouted the planets to grow and then watch the bandwagon get crowded. Yeah, wave. ISO game, hella strong, yeah. It's just me, myself, and I, yeah. Put up problems to the sky, yeah. Wave.